Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul and you are watching The Deal Finder. We have an exciting video for you today. We are back at Costco Tuesday, January 28th, and we have what's new here, Costco's new arrivals. First up, we have the Delta Children Dinosaur Bookcase. Now look how cool this looks. The dinosaur is actually smiling at us. It's green gold certified. Also, assembly is required, but it's not too bad. It includes a tip over restraint that does attach to the wall, and it has multiple size shelves for that different types of storage. It's available at Costco.com as well. Here at the warehouse, it's priced at $119.99. Now moving on to the electronics section, let's have a look at the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Here it is right in front of us. Now this is their camera bundle set with some pretty amazing accessories. Now this is a 3-axis gimbal with a mechanical stabilization. The screen is rotatable. It's a 2-inch OLED display. Now it does include a battery handle, a mini tripod, protective cover, extension handle, and a 64 gig memory card. That's all included in this bundle set. What a great price. Even though it's not on sale, it's still a very competitive price. It's a fantastic camera. 4K, you can't really go wrong with that. Wait till it goes on sale. It will be untouchable. $499.99. And just straight down the aisle, we have the popular Donkey Kong Country Returns here. Now this is for the Nintendo Switch, rated E, very popular game. Players, 1 to 2 players here. It's for Nintendo, and it does have the language English, French, and Spanish. Now I do like to give all the features with pretty much every product. Hopefully that does make me stand out. Now this is a great price, even though it's not on sale. There's the item number. You can always grab that item number, call Costco to see if they have it in stock. It's priced at $52.99. This is a good time to mention to follow me over on Instagram at Watch the Deal Finder. I am going to be doing a giveaway the first week of February, a free Costco membership. A new carry-on here available at Costco from Swiss Gear. We have the $80.99. Now this is their expandable spinner carry-on. If you head over to Costco.com, we have 4 color options available. At my warehouse, we only have the black and green. I'm not sure what's available at yours. Now this does have a retractable push-button lock-in telescopic handle. That way you can push it around, you can move it very easily, you can pull it. Has 8 360 multi-directional spinner wheels. It moves super easy. A large interior that has a zippered mesh pocket, and it also expands for additional packaging. It's a 21-inch carry-on priced at $89.99. And next up, we have the Denmark. This is their 4-piece all-purpose porcelain bowl set. Looks amazing. Now each package has 4 different colors in the box. It's durable, vitrified porcelain, perfect for ramen, salad, and variety of other dishes. Microwave and dishwasher safe, both of them. Now look at these beauty. Look at the craftsmanship. Very elegant. Has different patterns and beautiful colors, as you can see. It really stands out, especially it will stand out on your kitchen table. Now it's designed for functionality. These bowls are easy to use, dishwasher safe, and very easy to clean. $12.99. We do get a set of 4. Here we have the Acacia armrest tray. Very popular item. A lot of people have been showing this, featured in TikTok and Instagram. Now look at this beauty. It does feature the Acacia hardwood, a non-slip backing, a spring hinge arms, so that way when you wrap it around your couch, it does have a little bit of grip to it because of the spring action. Has a mobile device holder that fits pretty much most phones and tablets. Very easy to clean. Now this is from the brand named Smart Design. It's priced at $18.99. Has some decent reviews so far. And now from Mikasa, we're looking at a new flatware set that just arrived here at the warehouse. Now this is a service for 12, 1810 stainless steel. I love it. Dishwasher safe. Look how many pieces of silverware we have. Now this is a French countryside set. Now keep in mind this is a new arrival here at the warehouse, but if you head over to Costco.com, you can get it on clearance for $49.97. Here it is right in front of us. I'm always looking out for you, friends. I find you nothing but the best deals. Here at the warehouse, it's priced at $74.99, so make sure you purchase it at Costco.com. Now, if you are a subscriber and you've been watching my Costco clearance videos for the past couple of weeks, you are going to notice a trend on this aisle. What's that trend? We see a lot of new arrivals because they have pretty much liquidated all those clearance products. If you haven't watched those videos, watch them now because You may have some left over at your warehouse. So right in front of us, we have the Miyu stainless steel wok. This does include that thick tempered glass lid cover, which is amazing because both the wok and the lid are oven safe up to 450 degrees. It's also dishwasher safe, compatible with gas, electric, and induction, priced at $24.99. In line from Green Pan, we have their Jewel Pro. Now, these are their ceramic non-stick 3-piece frying pan set. Now, these are crafted from an ultra-durable, hard anodized aluminum. They're also toxic-free, so no worries. They're free of those PFAS. Now, these are oven-safe, compatible with all cooktops, even induction. Now, these are oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees. They're also very easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and I do love the white with the gold or the brass. Looks pretty nice in person. Now, these are priced fairly decent for 3 pans. We get an 8-inch, a 10-inch, and a 12-inch, priced at $49.99. So just down the aisle from ProKeeper Plus, I did forgot to put this in yesterday's video, the flash deals for the week. So if you haven't seen that, make sure you go back and watch that. We have some amazing deals here. Now this ProKeeper Plus is a fresh produce keeper. We do get a set of 3 here. Fantastic reviews, airflow, the vent system, no replacement cartridge needed with these. Now these are on sale. They're BPA free, they're stackable, and they're dishwasher safe. These are a great space saver. $6 off the price, $18.99. And actually, just behind me, we have an oven crisping sheet. Here it is, made in the United States from Nordic Ware. Now, this is their naturals, their aluminum bakeware. Now, this is high-sided, multi-use oven crisping sheet. Air crisp in your oven. They're trying to compare it to an air fryer, but I'm not sure it does. Now, I wish it was stainless steel. I'm not a huge fan of cooking with aluminum. Let me know in the comments section if you tried it before. How well does it work? Can you compare it to an air fryer? I'm not sure at all, but it is priced fairly decent in my opinion, $17.99. Another new bath mat available here at the warehouse, this time from Seville. We have their bamboo bath mat. Now this is 100% bamboo, has non-skid feet on the bottom of it. It also has a lacquered finish, has a weight capacity up to 300 pounds. Looks pretty decent in my opinion. I might pick it up for my bathroom. I put a nice tongue and groove wood ceiling up on my bathroom, so this would match pretty nice. It's 24 by 18, almost 1 inch thick. It's priced pretty decent as well. It's $19.99. Not too bad of a price for what it is. Not bad at all. So here we have a new product from Dash. We are looking at their Ultimate Deluxe Egg Cooker. Now this does include an egg bite tray. So what can this actual unit do? It can boil 12 eggs at once. You can poach 7 eggs. You can even make 6 egg bites at once, or even cook 1 large omelet. Now, what's pretty interesting about this product, you can use it as a steamer as well. You can steam vegetables, dumplings, and a lot more. Now, all the parts are dishwasher safe except for the actual electric part. Now, you can store all the accessories inside the unit as well, and it's priced at $19.99. Another fairly new product here at the warehouse. It's also on sale as well. We have this 4-piece bath set. We have 3 different colors to choose from. So what do you get in this set? You get the shower curtain that has a beautiful waffle texture design to it. We also get 12 stainless steel hooks that are included, even a shower curtain liner, and also it does come with a cotton terry bath mat. All that is included. $5 off the price. It's only $16.99. And just down the aisle from Serenity, we're looking at their mattress topper here. So it does feature a Tempur-Pedic 3-inch cooling memory foam mattress topper. Now this does provide pressure relief, has cooling performance. It's also made and assembled in the United States. We have the king size and we have the queen size available. Now this also has a nice medium feel to it. Here the king size, you can see it's priced at $169.99, and we also have the queen size to my left available at $149.99. If you head over to Costco.com, they have the twin XL, and the full size also available. We have a new quilt available at Costco. This time it's from Origami. This is their 3-piece quilt set, and it does include 1 quilt, 2 shams. It's reversible, machine washable. Now it has some pretty nice nautical patchwork that I do like. I also like the light gray color. If you can see that there in the bottom. We also have the blue. 4 different color options to choose from if you head over to Costco.com. They even have a queen size there. Here at the warehouse, we only have the king size available at mine, and it's priced at $59.99. So next up, we have a new shower door available here at Costco, this time from Ovi. We have the Providence shower door. This is in satin nickel, so the hardware is all nickel, 60 by 78 inches, double-sided. Looks pretty nice. I like the thick bar at the top. I like how thick it is. I'm a fan of that. Even that shower head looks pretty decent as well. It's priced at $479.99, not too cheap. You can head over to Costco.com if you are interested in other options that can be shipped right to your front step. And now from Toto, we're looking at their washlet, their elongated bidet seat with a soft close lid. Now this does require a power source, a dedicated line running all the way back to the panel, has a heated seat and adjustable water settings, and it even comes with a luxury remote. It's priced at $399.99. Also, right behind me this time, we have a new rope basket available from Artesa. Now, this is made from polyester. When you're not using it, you can fold it up and put it away in storage very easily. You can wipe it clean with a damp cloth, and it's a good size, 22 inches in length, 19.4 inches in width, and 16.9 inches in height. Now, this is great to store blankets, towels, toys. Have all your storage in there. Has two nice handles so you can pick it up pretty easily. Now, this is priced at $19.99. A new product from Polder, we're looking at their under the sink storage caddy here. Now this does feature a snap-on bucket and an adjustable divider insert, and it will keep underneath your sink nice and tidy. Looks amazing. Now I do prefer the trash cans being stored underneath the sink. You can pick up those trash can brackets available on Amazon, fairly cheap. But if you're not interested in that, you can pick up the storage caddy here at the warehouse. It's priced at $14.99. I'll leave a link in the description for anyone who's interested in those Amazon trash can brackets. Now from Reduce, we're looking at their 24-ounce cold tumblers. Now these do come in a 2-pack. We have two different color combo variations. We have the black and we also have the pink. These are double wall vacuum insulated. They have those 3-in-1 lids like the children's size. Now these keep your drinks cold for up to 24 hours. They're dishwasher safe, and these are pretty nice tumblers. They're priced at $19.99. I did spend a little bit too much time filming our next product, but that's okay. I did add a couple of cuts. Here we are looking at the Cascade Cup Fountain from Bloomington, 65 inches in height, and I did get right up close to it because you can hear that beautiful waterfall sound. It's 100% steel construction with a rust-resistant copper finish to it. Check that out. You can't hear it, but look at that 4K footage. You can almost have a sip right from your screen. Now this does hold approximately 9.7 gallons of water, and it does have 206 gallons per hour that runs through the pump here. It's priced at $199.99. A little bit high, but let me know your thoughts in the comments. And let's take a walk down the aisle, see what else we can find, because we have the Fiskars right here. This is our 2 set of loppers. We get the 15-inch lopper here, and we also get the hand pruner set. Now, this is a pretty cool set, very cheap already, without any discounts here. I'm sure it's going to drop in price as well. Now, you get both of them. You get the 15-inch lopper, and you get the hand pruner. It's priced at $24.99. And now to my right, we have the new Leisure Line chair here. It has that wood grain finish to it. Nice looking chair, Adirondack chair. Now, this is from the brand Tangent, I believe. Now, this is a new product here at the warehouse, all-weather resistant, outdoor, has some kind of polywood finish to it, made out of recycled plastics, priced at $129.99. And once again, if you've been watching my Costco clearance videos and you've been subscribed to the channel, you could notice by now that Costco is starting to liquidate all that gym equipment. And what they're bringing in new patio furniture, new gardening tools. We can see this one from Orbit. This is their 3-piece water set. What do we get? We get the wand, we get a spray nozzle, an adjustable spray nozzle, and then we get that multi-pattern nozzle. So 3 different types of nozzle here. And check out that price, $19.99. And next, I have yet to find a good hose, a good quality hose available here at the warehouse. We have the Rapid Flow 5/8 of an inch, 100 feet in length. Now this claims to be 600 PSI burst strength. That can be possible because this hose has broken on me at least 3 to 4 times. And these are such a pain to bring back to the warehouse and return them. I've even bought the contractor grade ones, those thick rubber ones from here at Costco. They were on clearance last year for like $10. I've returned those 3 to 4 times. They all break on me. Every single one has broken. Now this is priced at $49.99. And here from Lifetime, we have a new deck box available. Now, this is pretty big deck box. I did like it. I'm going to get into it, see if I can fit. It's a good size. I did like it a lot. I even like the colors on this one as well. And it's priced right. These are expensive, and this one here at the warehouse, for the price, it's nice. You know, I got to admit, this is a nice size deck box. I could use this myself. I'm going to pick it up when it drops in price. I got to admit, I did like it a lot. Has that nice soft closed lid to it as well. Here at the warehouse, let me get some specs for you. Stand by. Now let me just do a quick spin for you. Here we go. 165 gallon storage capacity. It's weather resistant. Now this is 57.9 inches in length, 28.3 inches in width, and 30.3 inches in height. It weighs about 73.4 pounds. Now this is priced at $149.99. And just give me one moment. I want to head back to the tool aisle. We have a new jump starter I did want to show you from Type S. Here it is right in front of me, the 550A. Now this does claim to jumpstart most 12-volt cars, SUVs, and trucks. 8600 mAh, a lithium-ion power bank, 65 power watt delivery. Also has USB charging output and input. 3 emergency light functions. It looks pretty nice. I like the digital display on it as well. Now this also has a LED indicator, step-by-step jumpstart instructions, which is pretty interesting. It's priced at $59.99. Hang tight, friends. We do have some Greek food up next. We have the beef kebabs available. Now, these are fully cooked, ready in just 10 minutes. All you got to do is heat them up and enjoy it. It looks delicious. Get yourself a piece of pita, add these kebabs, add some red onion, add some tzatziki, add some french fries, and you are good to go. Let's have a look at the macros. 180 calories for one piece? That can't be right. 5 grams of carbs, 11 grams of protein. These are super high in calories. This is probably a big pass for me, but they're priced at $13.99. So next we have the Greek wedding cookies, and I can never pronounce these correctly. I am Greek myself. Now these are Greek butter cookies to me. You pronounce them kouda, like a coulda, woulda, shoulda, kouda. These are Greek almond butter cookies. They got white powdered sugar on top. They're delicious. I know that. So anyways, I might grab a box to bring home to my parents. 160 calories for a cookie, 18 carbs, 3 grams of sugar, 4 grams of protein here, priced at $14.89. And now something a little bit more healthier for us from Unreal, 40% less sugar. Now this brand is known to use some pretty clean ingredients, simple ingredients. So we have the peanut butter cup, we have the caramel nougat, and we have the peanut gems, they're calling it. Dark chocolate peanut gems here. So we have a variety pack, so pretty clean ingredients. Let's see, 80 calories, 50 calories, and 90 calories. So not bad. The sugars are pretty low in all of them for what it is, you know, not bad. Now, I always mix up the signs when it comes to this end of the store. I did fix that. See, $14.89. All right, friends, ending the video here. I hope you did enjoy today's video. It did take me quite some time putting this together, so hopefully you'll smash that thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all the support. Don't forget, tomorrow is going to be Costco's new coupon book. I am going to make a 2-part to that, so these videos are not super long, so hopefully that does help. I'll see you tomorrow with a new video, friends. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. We'll see you soon. Peace.